All right, everybody, welcome back. We're already out with episode 11, so if you missed episode 10, you need to hurry up and catch up. We're just rolling through these episodes right now because it is so close. It is all coming together. So what I want to tell you, what I want to show you real quick, we already showed you in episode 10 the counter. So here's what I got to tell you. We want to do, other than just Glenn and Teresa, okay? We got so many surprises for them. Check that out. We got so many surprises for them to walk into. You know, we love helping other people. And just to prove that to you, we're going to help you all, the viewers, whoever's tuning in right now. If you see this video is definitely for you. So what I'm trying to tell you is we have never before held a class and actually showed people firsthand exactly how to do this back here. So that is exactly what we're going to do. All you have to do, we don't want no money. We already have a spot or a venue. We are going to be bringing everything to the table. You only have to do a couple of things. For one, you need to follow, because the amount of people that can actually comment and hit us, I am not going to be able to hit all these people back. So if you follow us, you're going to know when we put out another episode and another video, and we give you instructions exactly where to go, what day to be there, the whole works. Another thing you have to do is you have to share this video, because we don't want to go to all this trouble just for a few individuals. We want to try to show as many people as possible. So we're not sure how this is going to work. That's why we're doing the video. We're going to get a feel, look at the comments, and kind of see how everything's going to transpire. That will let us know what we need to do on our end. But this is 110% real. There are people all over the United States and the world that is charging people to come to these venues. 4-day classes and stuff like $500, $3,000. I kid you not. You need nothing. All you got to do is follow and share this video. It is that simple. When you do that, go to the comment section on this video. Type in the word done. I'm going to see that. I'm going to thumbs up you're done. And we are going to let this video roll till Sunday. At the end of Sunday, we are going to count up however many people have commented. We have videos that hit 3,000. We have videos that hit 20, 50, 100,000. We have videos that have hit 350,000. We don't know how many people are going to reach out, but what I can promise you, whoever reaches out will get a turn. We can only hold max 200 to 300 people on one of these venues. So if we have 1,000 people reach out, that's why you need to follow. That's how I can stay tuned into you and you can figure out what's going on. Because the first 200 or 300 people I go down, copy and paste the directions, time, and everything. Everybody can tune into that page and see, based on where they're at in a row, when their time is coming up. So we're going to try this. We're going to see if it works. I'm almost positive it will. Here's the thing. Anybody who wants to learn how to do this, we are willing to show you from scratch everything right in front of your face. It's literally that simple. If you know who we are, know what we do for a living, you'll know this is not a scam. All you got to do is do what I told you, and I promise we're going to be reaching out to you soon. Sunday, we will check the list. We will see how many people we're actually looking at. We will have a video come out Monday or Tuesday explaining everything moving forward. So again, if you're not following us, you're not probably going to see that video. As usual, thanks for tuning in. Hope to hear from you and hope to see you real soon. Till the next time.